welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. I know it has been a week since I uploaded a video, and every time I come here I always, it sounds like I'm making excuses, but I'm really not. I just have been super busy with life, with work, with just everything. We just got back from Kalahari, and Jamal and I are leaving next week for another vacation, so we're just kind of like on the go right now, and just I don't know, life's been busy. But I wanted to pick up the camera today and vlog for you guys and just kind of show you guys a typical day of what I do in a day and what I eat while pregnant. I really miss those. I actually have my breakfast behind me, which I'm gonna show you guys what that is. But before I start the rest of the video and my day, I wanted to show you guys this amazing, game-changing eyelash kit. So you guys know I get eyelash extensions done religiously. I usually get a full set every 2 months, and then I get fills in between. And it does get expensive. When I get a full set, it's like $140, which is so ridiculous. But after I get them done, I'm just really happy with them, and I just continue to get them all the time because they just make me look alive and just nice. And then my fills usually are like $70, and then I tip, so it could be like $80 to $90. I took my eyelashes off after our family trip to Kalahari, and just letting my eyes breathe before our next trip, because I do plan on getting them, well, I did plan on getting them, like a fresh set before we go to our other trip. But I saw this thing on Instagram, and this product is not sponsored. I genuinely am in love with this product that I'm about to show you guys, and it is 100% a game changer for you ladies that want eyelash extensions, or just want eyelashes and just something quick that you can just buy on Amazon. So right now I don't have any eyelashes on at all. I am bare, I am naked, and you guys will see the difference between this and when I put the eyelashes on. So this is the kit. Okay, so it's called Ease Intention DIY Eyelash Extension Kit. I will have the link from Amazon listed below in my description box. Check my description box, guys. This kit was only $24, and let me show you what it comes with. Well, before I show you, let me just say that when I get my eyelashes done, it literally takes like 2 hours to do a full set and like an hour to do a fill, plus the cost of it, plus driving there, and it's just like, it is worth it, I guess, just the way it makes you feel after, but I don't know. I wanted to go a different route, and I've always had trouble with eyelash strip lashes, and I'll insert a picture right here. I tried to do the magnet eyelashes a couple months ago, and I suck at putting eyelashes on. So this one literally took me like 15 minutes tops to put these on, and I'm gonna show you guys the kit. Okay, so this is the box that it comes with. Again, it's called Ease Attention DIY Eyelash Extension. It's a kit, and this is the volume kit. It comes natural and volume, but I personally like volume just because it's more thick, more full. So I wore them yesterday, which is why these are not perfectly in order like this one. So it comes with a set of tweezers, perfectly angled for the eyelashes. This is I think it's a Scully, I think it's what it's called. It's one of these that you just kind of run through your lashes. And then this is actually glue. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna actually put them on and try to show you guys. I'm not the best at doing this kind of stuff on camera, but I will try my best. So this is the glue, and everything goes right underneath all of your natural eyelashes. And then the kit comes with 2 different sizes. This is the 0.14, which are a little bit longer, so they'll like go on the edges of your eyelashes. And then these are the 0.12, so these are the shorter ones. These I like to put in the corners, my inner corners, and then like kind of in the middle. So this kit was only $24.99, and this is an amazing dupe of Lashify. I don't know if you guys ever heard of Lashify. It's advertised all over Instagram and Facebook, but honestly, I've never had Lashify because it's like $150 for the kit. So I was just trying to find a cheaper one, and I did. And this is amazing, you guys. So, okay, real quick, let me show you guys how I put it on. Okay, so this is the glue, and you want to put the glue underneath your natural eyelashes. Now, it is a glue, but it does get tacky, which helps the eyelash stick on all day. And then I just go right underneath my natural eyelashes, and they just literally go right on. So I'm gonna do this eye, and then I'm gonna do my other eye. But so easy to use, so easy to apply, guys, and the price is like so much less than Lashify. And you guys will see it looks great. It looks natural, and it looks like I just got a full set done. And then I do add just a little bit more glue just to help it stay. And then obviously if you mess up, you can just take that small eyelash extension off and just add more glue and just reapply it. It's so easy. You guys can see right here, I didn't like the way the 2 eyelashes were sitting, so I took them off, reapplied glue, and I just reapply them until I like the way they feel and I like the way they look. And then I get a makeup remover wipe, and I just go around the lashes and just kind of clean the glue off. All right, guys, lashes are on. It took me 14 minutes to do these because that's what it said on my camera. You guys saw it time lapse, so but on my end it was like 14 minutes. So I love these. These literally look like I just got a new fresh set done. So anyway, again, I will link the Amazon link in my description box if you guys want to try it out. I told all my friends about it, and I think they're gonna get it too. They look so nice. I love them. Okay, anyways, that is the end of this eyelash I don't know how to. All right, let me show you guys my breakfast. Okay, this morning I decided to go sweet. Usually I am a very savory breakfast person. I like my eggs and my bacon and my butter and all of that good stuff. But this morning I wanted to do something sweet. This is my go-to breakfast. So I have a piece of toast here with almond butter, and then I have another piece of toast here with regular Jif peanut butter. And then I just sliced 1 banana and 3 strawberries. And I'm just going to top these both with the fruit. And then on the side here, guys, I've really been into this Chobani Greek yogurt. Oh, I guess it's not a smoothie, it's just a yogurt, it's just in a bottle. So this is the mixed berry. I also have strawberry and banana flavor downstairs. So there is about 18 grams of net carbs in 1 bottle, but yeah, I like to have this. So this is my simple breakfast for this morning. just lots of fruit. Get my peanut butter and almond butter in. And yeah. So let me see, this one is the almond butter one, but I remember when I was breastfeeding Micah 4 years ago, and I used to make peanut butter on toast topped with bananas every single day for my breakfast. When I had to go to work, I just made 2 pieces and I would just go, and I honestly think that was like the sole food that I had that helped bring my milk supply coming in. And yeah, I plan on eating a lot of almond butter, peanut butter, oats, bread while breastfeeding. But after I'm done breastfeeding, just know I'm going back to keto, working out, exercising. I want to get back to my goal weight. I cannot wait to film that whole journey for you guys and just, yeah, just show you guys that. But it won't be for a while. Not for a while, but maybe, I don't know. It depends on how long I can breastfeed. I exclusively pumped with Micah for about 9 months, and then I had about 3 months of frozen milk left. So he was breastfed for a year, and hopefully I can do that again, but you know, doesn't matter. Fed baby is the best. So let me enjoy my breakfast. If you want to make this keto friendly, you can use a piece of Sola keto bread or any keto bread. Use almond butter and top it with just berries. Don't use bananas. Bananas have a lot of carbs. So strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, blackberries, and that's how you can make it low carb. So hey you guys, so it's 2:30 right now. Subscribe! So I took a nap on my lunch break around 12:30, and I said I'm just gonna lay down for 20 minutes. I was just feeling super tired. My head was hurting. I still have like a slight headache. And yeah, I woke up at 2:30, so I slept for 2 hours, and I didn't mean to. I just, like, when you're pregnant and when you're just super tired, it's so hard to get up. It's not like your normal nap where you can, well, at least for me, I can just get up. It is so hard to get up. So anyway, I'll have to work later than usual today because I took a 2-hour lunch break. So anyways, I woke up starving. So I have these weird cravings sometimes for fried calamari, and instead of ordering Uber Eats, I said, you know what, I'm just gonna order calamari from somewhere. I ordered from Olive Garden, so I'm gonna go pick that up. I also ordered pasta. I think it's chicken and shrimp carbonara with fettuccine pasta, which is not low carb or keto friendly, but I just been craving that as well. So we're gonna go and pick that up. So guys, this is what I ordered from Olive Garden. This is their calamari. It comes with a marinara sauce and like a little garlic ranch sauce. And then I got chicken and shrimp carbonara with fettuccine pasta. So I'm gonna go ahead and have this for my lunch. Probably gonna be my dinner too. So guys, I loved the eyelashes so much. I ordered more of the actual extension, like the eyelash extension, not the kit, in different sizes. I got the 0.12. These are the long ones. These are the 0.14s. And then I also got really short ones. These are the 0.10s. And then I also got a pair of sunglasses. I have not tried them on yet, but these are polarized, which if you guys don't know what polarized is, it is the best type of lens to get when you're getting sunglasses. They have a special filter in them that actually protects your eyes. If you go to the beach, the pool, you'll be able to cut off all of the reflection from the sun and it's just like the best type of lens. I'm gonna try them on for you guys. They're huge, but that's what I wanted. And then I just tried this on, but this is just like a bathing suit cover up, and it's so cute. I will try this for you guys when I am actually wearing it on our trip. But this was like $20, and it's a one size fit all, and it's so cute. We're gonna try these sunglasses on. I will link everything below for you guys. So it's really cute. It comes in a cute like soft sunglass case, and it comes in so many different colors. So if I love this one, I'm gonna order like a black pair too. Oh my god, take this off. But these are what they look like, you guys. These are so cute. I have a big head so I needed to make sure that you know, when I buy like glasses online, they're bigger. Okay, let's try them on. And again, these are polarized. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, you guys. Look how cute. They are big, but that's why I bought them purposely. I love oversized sunglasses. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I'm gonna get maybe like 2 more pairs. They were really cheap. They were like $15 on Amazon. I really love them. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna get some more. But I wanted to show you guys real quick what I got in the mail today from Amazon. So cute. Hey guys, so I took 2 naps today and I just wanted to show you guys my eyelashes after 2 naps. They are still going strong. Highly recommend these. I don't think I'm ever gonna get eyelash extensions, like real eyelash extensions again, because these just are so much better and just so much more convenient. I can take them off every night. I can lay on my pillow. I can wash my face. Like, so good. Anyways, Jamal's home and he's eating his lima beans. He says that they're really good. I haven't tried them yet. I'm not really hungry, but I have my leftover Olive Garden that I might eat. It's 8 o'clock right now. It is pretty late, so yeah. But I am gonna end my vlog here, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know this was like a really like simple vlog, but hopefully I can get more up for you guys. Maybe I'll vlog tomorrow. I still have to pack and stuff, so I may just kind of just show you guys like a packing and what I pack and things like that. And then I'm gonna be vlogging my whole trip and just our journey there and just what we do there every day and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.